I can't even make this up, y'all. I can't even make this up. I'm just trying to get me a little breakfast. A little old school breakfast, because this is how I roll. This is what I need for this. It's too freaking early for this nonsense. Because clearly my microwave is on. It's on something different. Check this out. It's not even plugged up right now. Let me show you why it's not plugged up right now. Because what we doing? What are we doing? Why? Why are you doing this to me today? Just want to look, you know what? Now I gotta go to Walmart and get a damn microwave.